Rita Rabbit and the Missing Parrot Mystery. Rita Rabbit and Sam the Lion go to see Penelope the Parrot. Penelope guards the magical dream ship. From the pirates. When Rita and Sam get to the dream ship, they cannot find their friend Penelope. Penelope would never leave the dream ship, says Rita. Do you think she went for a swim? Asks Sam. Parrots don't swim, Rita replies.
I've got an idea.
Penelope is missing. Figure out the who, what, when, and where, and why, and how of Penelope's disappearance to solve this mystery. A good clue would be when and where Penelope was last seen. We should go and find Penelope right now, says Sam. Wait, says Rita.
I've got an idea.
We should look for clues. How will clues help us find Penelope? Asks Sam. Clues will help us solve the mystery, exclaims Rita. It will be just like reading a book.
All right.
Hey, Chester, says Sam. Do you want to help us solve a mystery and find our friend Penelope? Chester is ready for the adventure. He will collect the clues that Rita and Sam find. Paige, the dream ship's logbook, comes to help. Sam accidentally tickles Paige with his tail. Hello, Rita and Sam, Paige giggles.
Do you need some help?
They are happy to see Paige. She is full of information. Rita tells Paige that Penelope is missing.
I've got an idea.
Have you seen Penelope? Rita asks. I saw Penelope this morning in the crow's nest, says Paige.
All right.
Sounds like we've got our first clue, exclaims Rita. What are we waiting for? Asks Sam. A crow's nest is a place near the top of a ship's mast that serves as a lookout. Rita is sure to see a clue up there. I found some crackers, shouts Rita from the crow's nest.
I've got an idea.
Sam cannot think of why crackers will be in the crow's nest. Then,
Do you need some help?
Paige remembers that Penelope snacks on cheese and crackers. I know. Penelope's snack is missing cheese, says Sam. Just then, Rita notices a trail of crackers on the ship's deck below. Guys, I think we found another clue, says Rita.
All right.
Sam follows the trail. He finds a piece of cheese. Penelope would have to get the cheese for her crackers out of the food crate. That is a tricky task for a parrot. Sam picks up the cheese and Chester appears. Sam places the cheese inside of Chester. Take good care of that, says Sam. It's a very important clue. Reader investigates the empty space where Sam found the cheese.
I've got an idea.
There is only a square surrounded by dust.
I wonder.
This empty space matches the square shape of this food crate, says Reader.
I wonder.
I think there was a crate here with cheese in it.
Do you need some help?
Page adds, since Penelope wanted cheese, she must have looked for some cheese in the missing crate. Sam answers.
All right.
Penelope is not able to carry the food crate away, but someone else may have. Reader knows that Penelope got into the crate to get some cheese that morning. Now Penelope and the crate are missing. We should search for more clues, says Sam.
All right.
Reader looks by the ship's bell. He bumps his head on the bell and knocks a feather to the floor. Sometimes pirates wear feathers in their fancy hats. Maybe this feather belongs to one of the pirates.
Do you need some help?
I'm okay, Reader tells Paige. Then he sees the feather. The feather is red, so I don't think it's Penelope, says Reader.
I wonder. Do you need some help?
But who else wears feathers, asks Paige. Reader and Sam know who wears a red feather, Ratbeard, the leader of the pirates. Because Sam is so excited, he trips on his tail and falls into a crate.
I've got an idea.
Hey, Chester, calls Reader. Let me see the clues we've collected, please. Inside Chester, Reader finds Penelope's crackers and the cheese. Reader thinks about the missing food crate and Ratbird's red feather.
I wonder.
Then Reader looks at Sam climbing out of the crate.
I've got an idea.
Pirates have a secret hiding place called a lair. If Reader and Sam find the pirate's lair, they might find Penelope. Penelope fell into the crate when she got her cheese, says Reader.
Do you need some help?
And who else will be looking for cheese, asks Paige. The pirates, says Sam, especially Ratbeard. Add Reader.
I've got an idea.
I bet they climbed on board to get some cheese and took the crate away, not knowing Penelope was inside. Reader and Sam need to figure out where the pirates took the crate. Then they might find Penelope and solve the mystery. I think you need to keep looking for clues, says Paige. Sam and Reader find a trail of crackers and cheese.
I wonder. All right.
Look at this, Sam shouts Reader. The trail leads from the dream ship and across the beach. That looks like a clue to me, says Sam as Chester appears. Reader and Sam compare clues. The cheese and crackers match. It looks like the pirates left a trail that will lead us right to them, says Reader.
All right.
A trail is a footprint or mark left by someone or something. Reader and Sam can follow the trail left by the pirates to find them. Reader and Sam follow the trail to a cave. It is the pirate's lair. Reader sees the crate with Penelope inside. Then he sees Ratbeard and the pirates taking a nap.
I've got an idea.
When we sneak into the cave, Reader says to Sam, "I'll get Penelope, then you grab the crate." Reader quietly makes his way to Penelope. Sam tiptoes behind him. When Reader finds Penelope, Sam's tail accidentally tickles Cheesester's nose. Cheesester sneezes and the pirates begin to wake up. "Uh-oh," says Sam. Reader lifts Penelope out of the crate. "We're right behind you, Sam." Reader and Sam run back to the dream ship with the pirates following close behind. Penelope gets to the ship first. "The dream ship needs a big push," shouts Penelope. Sam and Reader jump out and push. They see the pirates coming. This gives Reader an idea.
I've got an idea.
Reader and Sam jump on deck when the pirates reach the dream ship. The pirates are running so fast they cannot stop. They run right into the dream ship, giving it the push it needed to take flight. Penelope is saved. Cheer Reader and Sam.
All right.
The friends fly safely home and celebrate Penelope's return.